Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am actually going to be doing a Happy Mail video today. I received a box from Kim with Creative Crafticalities here on YouTube. We actually met up on Friday and exchanged boxes with each other. So we kind of just put together a box of just goodies that are kind of spring theme, Eastery spring theme. And I received this lovely box from her, all nicely wrapped with some nice yarn and a cute little card that I'm assuming she probably made, and then a cute pin. So yeah, so I am gonna go ahead and open this box and see all of the goodies that are inside. Sorry it's not really all in frame, but it's a big box and I have a very small little camera angle. Ooh. Oh, Kim, look at all the goodies. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one thing at a time. I just wanted to show you the kind of first impression. So first of all, got this cool yarn. Oh, these are cute. This is really cute. Oh, that's super cute. I can keep this in my purse. That's really cute. Okay, and then this cute bag. Ooh, it's got it's got little sponges in it. Cool. I wonder if did you hear me say I needed a new sponge for my little Tim Holtz little dabber thing here? She might have heard me on that one of my videos. And there's a little clip and then some like fabric canvasy washi tape with flowers on it. And then a flower. Very pretty. And this bag is darling. Okay, so then I see there's a whole bunch of goodies in here. And this cute little bunny mug. Look how cute that is. So there's a flower and some ribbon. Ooh, this is pretty. That's really pretty. Here, let me unpin it. She's got it pinned with a little pin. It's got like burlap and lace. That's really pretty. I haven't ever seen this. This is a Michael's brand, I think. And then this is, I love this ribbon. This is from Dollar Tree. I love that ribbon. And then some twine, some pink twine. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty color. I love how you put it on the tag like that. That's really cute. Ooh, I love this yarn. I love this yarn. This is kind of like the yarn that she gave me for my fall box, but it was like brown, like our orange color. So yay, I'm so excited I have some more of that. Oh, look how cute this little wood piece is. That's super cute. And then there's a couple of doilies in here. Ooh, some paper clips. I love paper clips. Yes, paper clips. Nice. I love paper clips. All right, and then the cute little cup is darling. I have to put that out for Easter somewhere. All right, and then there, it looks like I've got some more flowers. So there's this pretty flower. Kind of put all the flowers together. And then there's a bunch of flowers in here, and these are it's so cute, this little baggie. This little bag is so cute. These are so pretty. They look real. They look like real petals. Those are really cool. I like those a lot. Okay, let's see. What else? Okay, there's this. Oh, this looks like a vintage napkin with some embroidery on it. That's cool. I can definitely make pocket out of this and other stuff. That's cool. I love that. Okay, and then there's another flower. Another pretty yellow flower. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's cool. It's like fuzzy. That's cool. Got my mind thinking. Fun things I could do with that. Okay, so there's like a stack of like papers and stuff, so I'm going to pull these out. Oh, look how cute this little shaker card is. She like sewed around the edges. That's really adorable. Like a little egg shape. That's really cute. Ooh, this is cute. This little stationery set with some Post-its. That's super cute. Ooh, and some, I think she jelly dyes these. I can't remember what you do with these, Kim. Tell me in the comments how you dye this. Just with dye, or is it... There's something that she does with those. And then lots of pink paper. Yay. Pink for Easter. Fun. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? The alphabet? Ooh, nice. These are pretty. This is actually my initials. See? A-B. Okay, and then there's a bunch of goodies in here. Fun. So pretty. Oh, brunch memories. These are so pretty. Cheers. But first brunch. Rose the day away. Oh, these are pretty. This looks like it all came from kind of the same paper pack. Maybe. Welcome to my garden. Oh, that's pretty. I like the navy. Stop and smell the roses. Nice. Welcome to my garden. So yeah, so we're planning on like making junk journals again with this stuff that's in the bag. Okay. She got me some really cool lace. Oh, that's really cool. It looks like little Easter eggs. And then the flowers on the bottom. That's okay. And then I see a stamp set. A flower stamp set. Nice. Those are cool. They look like they're layerable. Like you can layer them. Those are really cool. I don't really have any flowery stamps. I have like one set. That's it. Ooh, this is pretty fabric. It's like little tiny rosebuds. That's really pretty. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's a whole stack of stuff. Okay, hold on. There's a whole other stack of stuff. So I'm going to pull out just this one stack. This little stack. Ooh. Those are really pretty. I love the colors. Oh. Those are super pretty. Those are really pretty. I love the colors on those. Okay, and then she's got a little vintage playing card that has a rose on it. And then, ooh, another one with a flower. It's funny, I gave her playing cards as well. Ooh, and then there's a bunch of, looks like Tim Holtz ephemera in this really cool envelope that has a pocket. Ooh, that's pretty. Rose, like a flower piece. Oh, that's really, these are really pretty. Nice. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Very pretty, and I love the pink envelope. Oh, I didn't even look at what this was. So then there's a clip, and then she got me some, oh, these are just like cute little bags. Oh, this is funny because when we were shopping together on Friday when we met up, we actually bought the napkins that went with this set. So that's awesome. This is perfect. So this paper. Okay, so first of all, look how cute this card is. It's so cute. 1972. So I wasn't even born yet. And then there's another really pretty florally one. And this one's from 68. Wow. That's cool. Oh, look how sweet that image is. Oh, she's so cute. That's so cute. And then a book page. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, this is pretty. This looks like it matches the coloring on that. Oh yeah, totally matches that. And then she gave me a couple sheets of that. And then Christ the Lord is risen today. Nice. Oh, I like that. I love it when papers have the holes on the sides. These are cool. These are really cool. So I gave her some flower, like garden paper too. Oh, I love that illustration. The joy of spring. Oh, and the joy is my word for the year. That's cool. I wonder if that's why she gave me that one. Oh, wow. You gave me a whole coloring book. Cool. I love using coloring books in my journals. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, this is cool. Sears and Roebuck's. Oh, that's really cool, Kim. That is really cool. It's got like linens and napkins on it. That is super cool. She gave me 2 of them. These are just awesome. I love them. And then some more music sheets. Those are really cool. Ooh, what's this? Oh, start these drawings. Oh, that's cool. It's like a drawing. Oh, that is really cool. I keep saying that, but geez, these pieces are awesome. Oh, what's this? Tag along. Oh, they're like little tags. Oh, those are cute. Are they stickers? Oh, yeah, they are stickers. Nice. Ooh, paper. Okay. So this, I think, was the paper pack that went with that. Wait, does this go with that? Is this the same thing? I think that's the same. That's really cool. So there's that, and then the gold, and the pink. Oh, I like that one. And then this one, and the gold. Okay, great. Yay! So much fun stuff. I cannot wait to start creating and playing with all of my new stuff. Thank you so much, Kim. I had so much fun putting your box together, and I had so much fun Friday hanging out with you and shopping and stuff. So anyway, guys, this is what I got. So we will be putting together something. We haven't figured out exactly what we want to create yet. So we just were like, let's look at our boxes and then figure it out later. So we're going to figure that out, but we'll have at least one more video, at least creating something using the items that we found, whether that's junk journals or ephemera pieces or whatever. But you will get at least one more video from us with some stuff we made. And if you haven't already checked out our channel, please go do so. Our links will all be down in the description box below, of course. And she's really crafty and creative, so please go say hi to her from me and give her a big thumbs up on my video that she's posting with my box. All right, see you guys later. Bye.